Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to my channel. Happy Saturday. We are at Dollar General. Let's get into the 5 off 25. So first item I'm going to grab is the Snuggles refill, priced at $5. We do have a $3 off product, the warmer with the refill, and there is a $3 off digital coupon that will attach to this product. However, my store is out, so I'm just going to go ahead for the $5 one. That'll be item number 1. Okay guys, so my breakdown is going to be a little different because I do see they have paper towels. Let me show you. They don't really have a lot going on over there, just a few items, mainly just paper towel. Don't seem to have toilet paper. Looks like they have the their brand. But I'm going to go ahead and grab the Bounty Essentials paper towels. These are priced at $5.50, and we do have a $1 off digital coupon. So I'm getting pretty excited in my area because I've noticed that we seem to be stocking back up again on paper products. I saw last night that Walmart was filling their racks. They were filling it with paper products and toilet paper and all that good stuff. And the only reason I didn't want to get it is because I'm stocked right now. I'm good enough, but I just want it to be filled up again so I can coupon normally again. And I know we all feel the same. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab the Glade Febreze trash bags. They're price cut for $6.50, and we do have a $2.50 off digital coupon. I'm not 100% sure if I'm gonna add this to my breakdown just yet. I was planning on it, but now that I found some paper towels, I might not. Will just depend on how the final cost is gonna look like. So I don't want it too high of out of pocket, but if it works out, I'm gonna grab it. So yeah, there is a $2.50 off digital coupon. There also is a regular $2 digital coupon. So I only clipped the $2.50 on my account because I wanted to make sure, of course, that the higher coupon value comes off first. Okay, so next I'm going to grab our Tide Pods. They are priced at $2.95. They're all the way up there. These are $2.95. We do have a $2 off digital coupon that's not supposed to clip to these, but they are this week. So we're going to kind of take advantage of that glitch. I usually don't do that, but I do want to lower out of pocket this time. I did try to see if it worked on the liquid detergent. It doesn't. The $2 off digital coupon is not going to clip on the liquid. It's only clipping on the pods. So, or of course you can just grab the regular Tide down there and it'll clip on that as well. I'm also going to go ahead and grab some more tampons. The U by Cortex are priced at $3.25, and we do have a $2 off digital coupon. I'm going to grab, I wish they just had regular by itself, but they had the regular slash the super. I kind of wish they just had regular, but I'm just going to grab this because I don't see that they have only regular on its own. Okay guys, and the final thing I'm going to grab is some Bic razors priced at $3. I'll probably grab this pink pack down here. We do have a $2 off digital coupon. I wanted to grab just the $2 regular one, but as you can see, it's completely out. The $2 metal, it's metal razors, $2. If you can find it, it will be completely free. Scan your razors on the digital app before you check out to make sure you're grabbing the right one. If the coupon pops up when you scan it, then you are grabbing the right one. Okay, so this is everything that I'm going to be grabbing. I did decide to go ahead and grab the Glade. My subtotal after all my coupons apply looks like it's going to be $8.70, so that's a pretty cheap deal. Under $10 for all these items, including Glade, including paper towels. Yeah, that's a really good deal. Let's go ahead and check out and hope that everything works out great. Alright guys, so we are back home. So my Dollar General deals went perfect. I'm super excited and happy. First, I apologize for all the noises you're going to hear in the background. Of course, as soon as I get home, everybody wakes up and wants to be loud. So, sorry for that. Let me go ahead into the deal. Okay, so the Glade trash bags, the Febreze Glade trash bags, these are supposed to be at a price cut of $6.50. It even showed it in store, and you guys will see in the video that it showed it as $6.50. However, it did ring up as $7, the original price. So I guess the system is still glitching on it. I didn't fuss about it or anything, but yeah. So it rung up at $7. It might ring up at $6.50 for your store though. And we have a $2.50 off digital coupon. Keep in mind there is 2 coupons for the Glade right now. There is a $2.50 off digital coupon, and there's also a $2 off digital coupon. I went ahead and only attached the $2.50 to my account and then used it, and then I'll use a $2 one probably later in a different deal if I still can. And then next thing, or another things that I grabbed, was these U by Cortex tampons. These are priced at $3.25, and we have a $2 off digital coupon. I also grabbed Bic razors. These are priced at $3, and we have a $2 off digital coupon. You may get lucky and be able to find the big razors that are priced at $2. You use that coupon and it'll be completely free. Bless you, Anna. I also grabbed the Snuggle refills. They are priced at $5 and we have a $3 off digital coupon. There are the Snuggle, it's like the Snuggle starter kit, the Renzette, whatever you say that brand name, the starter kit. Those starter kits are priced at $3. If you use that $3 off digital coupon, it will be completely free. However, my store, and you saw in the video, is completely out. And then we are glitching on the Tide Pods. So the Tide Pods, there's a glitch right now. They're priced at $2.95. The $2 off Tide coupon is applying to the Tide Simply Pods. It's not supposed to do technically, and never it does. That Tide, $2 off Tide usually only applies to the regular Tide. However, it is applying to the Tide Simply Pods. I know a lot of people don't like the misuse of coupons. I apologize. I'm sorry. But I went ahead and still did the deal because it's kind of a glitch you don't want to miss out on, guys. I'm sorry. So I still went ahead and did it, and that's actually going to be one of my donation items. So it's another good reason why I did it also, is because I'll either donate it to my mom or I'll put it in my donation stockpile. And then for the star of the show, we actually found some paper products. So I'm super excited. My region seems to be stocking up on their products again. I'm hoping it lasts and things start to go back to normal. So these Bounty paper towels are priced at $5.50, and we have a $1 off digital coupon. So my total before all the coupons, I believe, was $26.20, something like that. It was 26 and something. And then after all my coupons came off and the 5 off 25, I brought my total all the way to $9.20. Let me go ahead and show you guys my receipt. So here's the receipt, and then right here, as you can see, the Glade trash bags rung up at $7. It was supposed to ring up at $6.50. It even had the tag on it, and on the app it rung up at $6.50. However, I paid $7, which I'm not too mad about because my subtotal was still under $10. $9.20, guys. $9.20, and that includes paper products, tampons, and trash bags. Like, those are some, and detergent, you know what I mean? That's some really, really good essential items, all for less than $10, and all digital coupons used. So my final cost for each product was only $1.53. If the Glade were to have rung up for $6.50 like it was supposed to, I guess, the total for each item would have only been $1.45. So super good deal on that. I did want to share with you guys, when you go to store, I know most people know this, but just in case if you didn't, when you go into store, use your account to scan items. So I can't show you because I'm on my phone. I'll try another time to show you guys what I'm talking about. You go on the app, you use that little scan icon item, and you will scan a product. You'll go ahead, scan the barcode, bring it up to the camera mode, scan it. Once it scans, it's going to pull up if there's any coupons attached to the item or not. That's how you know if a coupon is going to go through or not, if it attaches on the app. If it attaches on the app, then that's great, perfect. You know that coupon will work for that item. That's what I did with the Tide. I mean, I do that with all my items, but that's how I knew the Tide Pods. For instance, when I scanned it, both the $2 off Tide and then the 50-cent off Tide Simply Pods, both those coupons popped up. However, I only had the $2 off Tide clipped to my account because I don't want the lesser value coupon coming off. And that's also how I know that the Tide Simply Pod regular detergent, not the pods, the regular, the liquid, the $2 off was not clipping to the liquid because it wasn't clipping on the app. So I knew it wasn't going to work at the register. However, the pods do work. So yeah, I'm so happy, guys. I'm so excited with my deals. And another reason why I'm so excited is because I actually went to Walgreens. I know I did not post a Walgreens video this week. Laziness and busyness kind of just overtook me, so I didn't post my Walgreens deals. However, I did do them on Sunday and I did some today, and they're really good deals. So if you guys are interested in my Walgreens deals, what I did, what I was able to grab, check out my Instagram. I'll have the link to my Instagram down below. I will be sharing everything that I did in my stories, so you guys can see kind of the amazing deals I worked with. I believed I used $10 $10 in register rewards. I used $10 worth of register rewards with the deals I was doing, and I got back like a total of, let me count real quick. I got back a total of $14, including points and register rewards. So it was a really, really good deal, especially the items that I grabbed. Super good deal. I will be sharing that in my Instagram, so check out my Instagram story so you guys can see that. And my daughter just told me she's going to be cleaning her room. I can't argue with that, can I? Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like button. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And oh, big thing, I actually reached over 100 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Hooray! I know not a huge number, but that means a lot to me. So thank you for each and every single one of you that has subscribed to me and has supported me. Please don't forget to hit that like button. I'll truly appreciate it, and leave me a comment down below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.